Welcome to our Bangalore house. So that's the lobby. Okay. When we come up here, then that's the lobby. And now this is our home 204. Let's see.
Welcome.
Yes. So that's our home. That's the drawing room.
दाखव.
Huh? And it's a Airbnb house. We have booked for a month, and then if we like, we will continue. So it has a balcony, and we have a washing machine over there, and wash basin too. And that's the view from our balcony. And that's our kitchen. So it's fully furnished. It's like fully equipped, yes. For cleaning utensils, yes. Plates and glasses and all the things. Pans also they have given. And in this gas, yes. And also cooker. Yes, and even kitchen has a balcony. View is not that great, but it is peaceful. That's the entrance actually for this building. It's on the second floor. And now we'll see bedroom. So that is bedroom. I've given bed and cozy blanket. And even bedroom has a balcony. And that's view from the balcony. It's completely fully furnished flat.